Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use these both options. So as you can see in the last class we have discussed about the rotate and the mirror, and now we are going to discuss about the flip and the fill option. So let's see how does it work and what is their function. So let's see. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to drag the video into timeline. I have already did it. Now simply after that we have to click on the flip. As you can see, after clicking on the flip, the video will be flipped. If you click again, and video will be back to normal. If you click on this, as you can see, now video is flipped. Now if you click on this, and the video will be normal again. So this is the function of this flip option. So as you can see, has the fill option again. So for example, I'm going to reduce the size and unbalance the video, and I'm going to drag it somewhere. So like press the command Z, and now I'm gonna press the command Z again. So let's press that. And now simply I'm going to click on the fill section. As you can see, the video is back. For example, I'm going to select the clip again, and now I'm dragging the video somewhere. Let's select the video, and now let's drag the video somewhere, and now simply we have to click on the fill again, and the video will be back. I'm going to flip this again. Let's flip. So as you can see, I have selected the video, and now simply we need to drag the video. As you can see, I have dragged the video here. Now if you click on the fill, the video will be back to normal on the place. As you can see, let's click on the flip, and the video is normal again. Now if you reduce the size, you can also do that. I'm going to reduce the size of the video, and now I'm going to keeping the video here. Now let's click on the fill again, and the video will be normal again. So in this way you can use the fill option. Basically the fill option is used for if your video is unbalanced, or if your video size is not perfectly or not correct, the fill will make it correct and all the adjustment will be okay. So in this way you can use the fill and the flip option in your VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these both options in VN. So see you guys in the next video.